Hello everyone, myself Dr. Suman Malik, Assistant Professor of Computer Science. My today's topic is loops in C. In the previous lecture, we have already discussed about the while loop. In today's lecture, we will discuss about do while loop and for loop. First of all, we take do while loop. A do while loop is in C is similar to while loop, except that the condition is always executed after the body of a loop. It is also called an exit controlled loop. Syntax of do while loop in C programming language is as follows. Do, here is opening braces, there are statements and closing braces and while expression. As we saw in a while loop, the body is executed if and only if the condition is true. In some cases, we have to execute a body of the loop at least once even if the condition is false. This type of operation can be achieved by using a do while loop. In the do while loop, body of a loop is always executed at least once. After the body is executed, then it checks the condition. If the condition is true, then it will again execute the body of a loop. Otherwise, control is transferred out of the loop. Similar to the while loop, once the control goes out of the loop, the statements which are immediately after the loop is executed. The critical difference between while and do while loop is that in while loop, the while is written at the beginning. In the do while loop, the while condition is written at the end and terminates with a semicolon. The following loop program in C illustrates the working of a do while loop. This is the example to print a table of number 2. Here header files, main start, and here is declaration and initialization, the value of num, do loop start, opening braces, here is a print statement, and num is multiplied by number 2, and there is an increment statement, increment operation, and after closing the do while loop, here is a while and here is a condition, num less than is equal to 10, and after that program will terminate. Here is the output, multiplies of 2 up to 10 times. In this program, there in the first number, we have initialized a variable num with value 1. Then we have written a do while loop. And in the second number, there is a printf statement and multiplies by the number 2. And in the third, there is increment statement, num will increase by 1 and it will print on the screen. And in the fourth statement, initially the value of num is 1. In a body of loop, print function will be executed in this way, 2 multiplied by num, where num is equal to 1. Then 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. Hence the value of 2 will be printed. This will go until the value of num becomes 10. After that, loop will be terminated and a statement which is immediately after the loop will be executed. In this case, return 0. Next loop is for loop. In a for loop is more efficient loop structure in C programming. General structure of a for loop is this: for, and here is initial value, here is condition, and then incrementation or decrementation. Opening braces start, and here are the statements for the for loop. Initial value for loop is transferred only once. The condition in Boolean expression that tests and compares the counter to a fixed value after each iteration, stopping the for loop when false is returned. Incrementation or decrementation increases or decreases the counter by a set value. Following program illustrates the for loop in C programming example. Here is header file, then main starts, then variable declaration. Here is for loop, num is initialized by 1, number less than or equal to 10 is the condition, and number will go to up to 10. And here is incrementation operation, and in the statements, printf statement is here, number is printed, output is here 1 to 10. Above program prints the number series from 1 to 10. In number 1 there is declaration of the number, in second number initialization, then condition number will go to up to 10, and here is incrementation operation, and in the statement number is printed. And in the body of a loop we will have print function to print the number of a new line in the console. We have the value 1 stored in a number. After the first iteration, value will be incremented and it becomes 2. Now the variable number has the value 2 and condition will be rechecked, and hence the condition is true, loop will be executed, and hence will print 2 on the screen. This loop will keep on executed and the value of variable becomes 10. After that, loop will be terminated and a series of 1 to 10 will be printed on the screen. This is all about loops in C. Thanks for watching video.